Hi, I'm Skip, and today we're going to talk about, on this episode, maintaining your marble, whether it's honed or polished, whether it's kitchen, bathroom, or wherever it may be. I really have to start here, folks. The ounce of prevention is the best way to address preventative maintenance and cleaning, and that is, even though I said it before, absorptive cloth, some type of cloth, a cutting board, right? Coasters if you're going to have wine, or you're preparing a meal out on your counters. Protect the surface. Don't let them come in contact with substances that would otherwise harm them. All right, now you're really comfortable with the fact that you got to pay attention to protect the stone. How do I clean it? Well, when it comes time to cleaning, all you really need: dishwashing liquid, some warm water, a little bit, a sponge. Once you get your soapy water, wring your sponge out, soft side of the sponge, not the scratchy side of the sponge. Wipe everything down. Take your microfiber cloth, wipe everything up, finish it with a separate microfiber cloth, dry it all off. That's all you need to do to clean, as long as it is done on a routine basis. You don't let it go weeks and weeks and weeks at a time. Keep after it, and your marble will stay beautiful, whether it's honed or polished. So that's what you can do to maintain your surfaces. At what point in time do you call us in when there's an issue? It comes down to usually when the surface doesn't look right, and or the surface isn't preventing water and or oil, is when you're going to call us in. We're going to restore it, and we're going to protect it professionally. Thanks again for joining us on this episode, and particularly how to maintain your marble. Feel free to give us a call anytime. We're always ready, willing, able, and motivated to help you out, solve issues. sbstonemasters.com, or give us a call. See you next time.